अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 42. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Let's look at the proof. Very simple. So you can see this is a circle with center O. AB is the diameter of the circle. PQ and RS are the tangents at the end of the diameter. So first of all, PQ is a tangent, and we know that tangent and radius are always perpendicular to each other. So that's why we can say OA is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, the angle OAP and the angle OAQ will be 90 degrees. Similarly, RS is also a tangent, so RS will be also perpendicular to OB. Therefore, we can say the angle OBR and angle OBS are also 90 degree. Look at the diagram. The angle OAP is equal to the angle OBS, and the angle OAQ is equal to the angle OBR. If you consider that PQ and RS are the two lines and AB as a transversal, then these angles are actually alternate angles. And if alternate angles are equal, so according to alternate angle test, these two lines are parallel. So PQ and RS will be parallel. Very simple.